Recording the sewer line here at 1902 Northwest 92nd. This is a video I'm taking from the clean out here at the Fountains place. We are looking right now at the city main. I'm going to pull back from the main. We're going to get a look at the lining work and the repair work that we did for this line. So we're going to do this line first, and then we're going to hop next door to the Melvy's place, and we'll take a look at that line. So coming back from this main, just like the proposal said, we got about a foot between the main and where the liner ends. Proposal states within a foot, so we are right there within a foot. Coming back now through 6-inch new flow cure in place pipe liner we installed. And we'll be coming back into the repair now. So this is the plastic repair. This is where the Melvy's line joins the fountain line here. So I'm going to pull back through this repair. This is where we dug up near the sidewalk. So there's some new plastic PVC pipe there. And then we go right back into our liner. So now we're in a 4-inch diameter new flow cure in place pipe liner again. This one's a 4-inch diameter versus the other one was a 6-inch one. This is coming back up towards the clean out here at 1902. Very smooth, well installed liner there. Coming right into the repair. So we were able to lip the liner right into the plastic, which was what we were aiming for. Coming up the clean out now. And there is the clean out access we got this from. I'm going to hop over to the Melvy's line, pause the video briefly, and then we'll look at that one. Alright, we're now down the line at 9204 20th Northwest. This is the Melvy's side of the line. What we're looking at is the shared section down here of 6-inch diameter liner out towards the main. I already showed this part in the video, but we'll run it out to the main just so you got to look at it. There's the main connection. So coming back from the main, 6-inch liner again. We already saw this on the other video. I want to show you the entire scope on both sides. 6-inch liner coming back into 6-inch plastic here shortly. There's that 6-inch plastic repair. Upside down. And we should be coming back into a 4-inch pipe burst. So this is where the pipe burst came to an end right here in that trench near the sidewalk. We'll come back through this 4-inch pipe burst. Burst is beautiful. And back into the plastic repair we installed outside 9204 20th. The Melvy's, there's the end of the burst into the plastic repair. And coming up the clean out now. There's the clean out install there. It's one of our favorite technicians, Carlos. And the video there.